is nature. Water lilies, ducks, trees, and me by myself. Yes, freedom again. Just me and myself. Come on, let me pass over here. And I notice every time I vlog, there's always a bridge. What is something about bridge that always come to me every time I vlog? Those nice trees, and you can hear the birds tweeting, and the dogs are swimming, and me, I am vlogging. Ciao! Good morning mga kapips. I just have my flu vaccine from the chemist from over there. And I get it every year to protect me, to get some cold and flu this coming winter. And after that, I was pampered by my paparazzi to a sausage and roll. Can you imagine that? It's really huge. That tiny bit cost me £4.50. Makes me get fat, and it ruined my diet. But what the heck? It's nice to have a little bit of pampering food after the ache of the needles. So I have to bite it now. Mwah. Yummy. Sino may gusto ng rambutan? Eto daming rambutan dito Tingnan nyo, kulay berde. Ha? Ang rambutan dito sa England, kulay berde ha? Hindi katulad sa Pilipinas, kulay pula. Eto po ang rambutan. Ayan, dami kong napamitas. Tawag ko dyan rambutan ha? Well, sa totoo lang po, hindi ito rambutan. Sa England, tawag po dito ay conkers. Yung bang parang chestnut, pero hindi edible, hindi nakakain. Pero takang-taka ako, talagang kamukha siya ng rambutan, Ganda. Hawak ko pa rambutan, pero may nakita pa akong mga apples dito sa tabing daan. Pwedeng pitasin, kaya lang, marami naman akong apples sa garden ko Okay? Ang lalaki ayun Huge apples. They call it cooking apples. Beautiful. And they lovely. Alright? I'll go to my garden and pick my own apples. Ciao!